Is your T-Mobile home internet box not turning on? First, ensure the box is plugged into a working outlet. Check for power surges or tripped circuit breakers. The power adapter should be rated at 12 volts 2x. A soft reset might help. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. If there's still no power, examine the adapter for damage like scorch marks. If possible, test with another compatible adapter. As of 2025, faulty power adapters account for 15 to 20% of outages, often requiring warranty replacement. The T-Mobile app now includes automated diagnostics to guide you through these initial power checks. If the box has power but isn't working, inspect all cable connections. Ensure the Ethernet cables are securely connected to both the T-Mobile box and your devices or router. A damaged cable can prevent internet access, with damaged cables being a common fix. Also, make sure the SIM card is properly inserted as it powers the cellular modem. The box's LED indicators can provide clues. No light signals power failure, while amber lights may indicate cable or signal issues. If you are in a dense urban area, EM interference can cause issues. By 2025, T-Mobile integrated machine learning to auto-fix these failures, reducing support calls by 30%.